To be a quick raw video on how we're gonna hopefully hook up our ultrasonic sensors for the robotics competition coming up soon. I want to make it easy. I am working with fifth graders, and so I want to make it easy for them to plug it in. And I don't want to. There's some really good examples online if you want more details, but I wanted to make it really simple. So I'm actually we're using the Pi servo hat board, and so I'm gonna use my custom space up in here, allow you to do whatever you want to do to wire it up. And the point of it is so we have an ultrasonic sensor here to measure distance. So I'm going to see how far away this glass of water is. And according to this, it is 5.1 centimeters. Quick shot of the code. I just downloaded some code on the internet here. Two things that you'll need to know when you're running the code, but that's not really what this tutorial is about, is you run on the GPI set mode to the board. You don't have to run board, but I'm running this on the trigger is going to be on 40 and the echo is going to be on 38. Let's see. Yep, trigger and echo. So these are the things that you might want to pay attention to, because we're going to hard wire them. And so 38 actually means 20 on the hat board, and 40 means 21 on the hat board. Actually, yeah, that's right. And I'm going to try to get a little better example. Now, you'll see a lot of things about voltage dividers and stuff on the internet. Don't worry about that if we're just wiring this up, because I'm going to give you some numbers, and if you don't like these capacitors that we're going to wire up, if you don't like resistors, sorry, if you don't like the resistors that we're going to use, you can use whatever numbers they tell you to use on the internet. There's a whole bunch of different ones. I think I'm using a 680 and a 1K, and but I'll confirm that when I go over and we start soldering this puppy up. But I tried to make it as simple as possible so that I could just have 4 plugs. Ran out of cable here, so I can just plug 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 are for power, so positive and negative, and 1 is for output and 1's for input of our distance sensor. And so I'll show you, it's kind of fun. So you can see I'm moving the glass farther away, and now it's saying it's 12, 13 centimeters. So that's really what we're going to be doing. I'm going to pause it and go over to the soldering station now.